Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be doing the dreadlocks tutorial, guys. Okay, I'm going to show you guys a very easy and quick way you can install your dreadlocks. Just all the steps, all the details you need to know on dreadlocks installation will be in this video for you. Okay, now this is dreadlocks I'm using, guys. It is in color 1B/red. It is neatly and tightly done, guys. This is so fine. And also it's in length 18. It has 20 in a pack, and this is from Queen Virgin Remy. This here is their virgin human hair handmade hair dreadlocks braid, guys. Okay, now this extension is the real deal. All right, you want to grab this, so I'm going to leave all details to this dreadlocks extension in the description box for you guys, and every other details you need will be in the description box for you guys as well, guys. Okay, so let's go right into the installation of these dreadlocks.
My love. Let's talk about love. Tell me, what do you like?
I'm going to start with parting our hair first, and I'm using the shine and jam gel to make the part neat. And the locks I have is 20, like I said before, and I want to make sure that the sections or the hair, it's sectioned into 20. Like, I don't want to do below 20 and I don't want to do above 20, so that is why I'm sectioning our hair, just to know the number of sections I have before installing the dreadlocks to our hair.
I'm gonna be better than you thought. I promise I won't jealous. You don't deserve it all. I'm gonna be better.
After braiding the dreadlocks to our hair, this is what I have, guys. Okay, and the next step is to use an afro kinky bob hair to wrap around the braid. Now this method, I've done other method on how to install your dreadlocks, but this one, it's one of the easiest methods so far. Okay, like you just have to use your hook and then put the kinky to your hair and just wrap around. All right, now this is so easy, guys, and this whole installation process took me less than an hour to do, because again, this is not a difficult hairstyle. It is something that it is easy to do and very fast as well.
She got a body like a goddess, and she talks so sweet. It's like I can't believe I'm the one that she wanted. And if I'm really being honest,
after installing the first locks, this is what I have.
I know I could be everything she needs if she let me get on it. Yeah. So come here, baby, listen close, hold me tight, don't let me go. Girl, you know that I'ma want you all my life, but I got so much left to do, except for falling in love with you. So I'ma let you keep me up another time, but please don't stay the night. Don't try to change stay the night. Don't try to change my mind. Please don't stay the night. Almost do what's right. Don't make me ask you twice. Oh, don't stay the night. Don't try to turn into a fight. 'Cause you know I love you by my side. Just don't stay the night. Almost do what's right. I'm done being polite. Oh, don't stay the night.
One more time and one more night without your hands, without me in your arms. Looking back, I wonder why I didn't show you how deep is my love. Let's talk about love. Tell me, what do you like? Tell me, where do you wanna see me naked? Let's talk about love. Tell me, what do you like? Tell me, what do you love? Let's talk about let's talk about love. Let's talk about love. Let's talk about I'm gonna be better, better than you thought. I promise I won't jealous, you don't deserve it all. I'm gonna be better, 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 better. Let's talk about let's talk about
After installing the Dreadlocks extension from Queen Virgin Remy, this is what we have, guys. Now, I love the fact that this hairstyle or this method, it is not time consuming. Like in less than an hour or an hour plus, you're good to go. Okay, and it is easy. Okay, like anybody can try this hairstyle, like anybody can do it, and you will get amazing results. Okay, also I love how beautiful the red is just popping at the tip of the dreadlocks, guys. Like it looks so beautiful. Okay, this color 1B/red is a must try. Like it's giving what it is meant to give, guys. Okay, now let me know in the comment section if you've done dreadlocks before and what method you use in doing it. Also, do not forget, this is a temporary dreadlocks. This is not a permanent dreadlocks, guys. Okay, and let me know in the comment section if you've done dreadlocks before and what color you tried. Just, let me know in the comment section if you love this color 1B/red because it is giving, guys. Okay, I love it, and let me know in the comment section if you do as well. Okay, now all details to this gorgeous dreadlocks from Queen Virgin Remy will be in the description box for you guys. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.